Welcome back, guys. Um, New question. New question. Uh, this is actually so difficult, but it requires some prior knowledge. You need to know what an exponentially distributed system is. And if you want an explanation of what an exponentially distributed system is, comment down below. Okay, let's see. So we have a piece of equipment. Let me just put this to it away. Piece of equipment is being insured against early failure. The time from purchase until failure of the equipment is exponentially distributed with a mean of 10 years. The insurance will pay an amount X if the equipment fails during the first year, and will pay 0.5x if the failure occurs during the second or third year. If the failure occurs after the first 3 years, no payment will be made. So what do we know? We know mean is 10 years. And I believe for exponential systems, there's a quantity called lambda, which is equal to 1 by mean, which is new here. So lambda is equal to 1 by 10. Okay? And what's the probability of x happening? Like, what is a PDF? I guess PDF. Sorry, I'm not sure. If you guys know, just let me know in the comments. So obviously from minus infinity to infinity for 1 by 10 e raised to minus d over 10 dt should be 1. So we have that. PDF integrated, you get CDF basically, so I should probably write CDF. I think the quality of the videos are going down because my information is lagging. But this is how I would solve the question. So okay, we have that. So we have a quantity X. That's what will be paid in the first year. So if it fails in the first year, that's from 0 to 1. We have X. All of this jazz. .5x for second and third, so that means from 1 to 3, so that's 1 to 2, 2 to 3. The x by 2 times 1 by 10 times. Oh, calculate x such that the expected payment made under this insurance is 1,000. So this would be the calculation for the expectation. That's you have the function g of x and the CDF. So that would be the expectation, and this quantity is equal to 1,000. So that's why I was confused. I was like, what are we solving x for? So I need to be more vigilant of how I solve the questions. Okay, anyway, we have x out over here. We get what do we get? Yeah, x by 10 out. E to the x integral of e to the x obviously is x divided by e to the x divided by that one, so 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, so that becomes minus 10 times e to the minus 10 minus t by 10. Three, one. Oh, let's just fix the pen. I don't think it got ruined again. So obviously over here, what can you take out? You can take out x by 2, 1 by 10. Then you get, let's not put the integral back. Which is the shortcut to erase. On Windows, if you just scratch on node, it'll go. So anyway, we get the same thing, a minus 10 e to the minus t over 10, 3 to 1. So what is that? Need my calculator. There it is. There it is. So we got minus 10 times e to the minus 1 over 10 minus, oh, it's my bad, wait, clear, minus 10 times e x over 10 times 0.5. Calculate the other side. Three. 1.64. Oh, sorry. 11:53. Give a brother a break. 1.6401974. Oh, 1974. Shout out to people born in 1974. Okay, so now you can take the X out. I got all of this left. What the hell? What the hell? Ignore that. I see things. I'm schizophrenic. No. The ghosts. They're making faces at me. I need to stay focused. Whoa, what is that face? Sorry if you guys are confused. If you know, you know. Anyway, I've lost the plot. 1000. So basically, I'm getting 1000 divided by 0.177172181. Answer I'm getting is x is equal to 5644.22. 5644. Option D is the correct answer. So the trick over here is you have to know how to calculate expectation of an exponentially distributed system, and like you saw over here, it's g of x times the probability, which is lambda into e raised to minus T lambda. Thank you all for watching. Thank you. Oh no, don't see that. Oh.